사라지지 마 지워지지 마 기억 속에 남길
You basically saw my video.
떠나가지 마 도망치지 마 기억 속에 남길 떠나갈 거라면 어째서 굿모닝 사라지지 마 지워지지 마 기억 속에 남길 떠나가지 마 도망치지 마 기억 속에 남길
About to do one of my current favorite things to do, which is to dry my hair.
떠나갈 거라면 어째서 내게 사랑을 가르쳐 어째서 소중한 거라면 어째서 널 두고 사라져 너는 왜 어째서 우리 걸어가봤던 골목들을 지나서 한 번씩은 들렸던 노래가 사라졌어 너는 왜 변해버린 건지 지나면 무시해질 듯이 묻지도 않던 날들이 날 떠나고 내 머리에 시간이 지나간다면 다시 돌아올 거라 믿었던
I don't know why it's taking me forever to edit the previous vlog and I'm still not yet done. But anyways, I am about to head out really soon because I was invited to go for a complimentary Yakson session. So if you didn't know, I bought a Yakson treatment package last year and I did a full review of my treatment. So they basically saw my videos and wanted to thank me for doing the review. So they invited me over to their vlog outlet for a complimentary session. So I will be doing the balanced face care and I think that was the treatment that I bought as well. Anyways, if you watch my reviews, you know that I went to their Buena Vista outlet. So this time around, I'm heading to their vlog outlet, which I've never been before. I am kind of excited, because I know it's gonna be super painful because it has been a while since I went for Yakson, but I'm also really excited for the massages. I feel like I desperately need it. I'm not gonna do a review of this session, by the way, because I've already filmed a full review and this is just one session. So if you're interested, I'll leave the links to my Yakson reviews in the description box below. And yeah, I need to head out soon, so let's go.
Many minutes later. I just finished my Yakson treatment and I think I have a
pretty high pain tolerance, like a lot of people tells me that. But either way, it was super painful. One thing that I really liked was that my therapist and master was so friendly and cute. So I really like them. Came back home and my dad has just tested positive for his ART, so I'm gonna do an ART for the very first time. So let's scan QR code. There's freaking ads on this video. What? It's about 8:30, so I'm gonna check back at 8:45. It's negative. Great. Okay, so update on my current situation. First of all, I'm wearing a mask because I think I look like crap right now. I had a really bad headache. I just took Panadol. It's almost 12, but I literally just got out of bed. I've just been lazing in bed watching TikToks. Secondly, my mom thinks that the virus is in the air in my house because my dad didn't go into self-isolation immediately after he tested positive, and he was like walking around the house. So we haven't gotten a chance to sanitize the house, so she got me to wear my mask at home. But yeah, today I'm off from work because I actually left my laptop in the office, which is probably like the worst mistake ever. But thankfully my boyfriend and I works in the same company, so he's gonna pick my laptop up for me and he's gonna come over and just put it outside my door. I have absolutely no plans today because I really didn't expect myself to be off from work. And yeah, my face is extremely sore. Like when I touch it, it hurts because of the Yakson treatment yesterday. So quick review of yesterday's treatment. So it was actually different from my previous treatment. Like they have changed a couple of things. So I feel like right now they kind of focus more on skincare. Like there used to be the tummy and boobs massage, but now they have gotten rid of it. So something new was that they have this steaming session. So they like steam your face, and yeah, if you ask me, I prefer the massage, but yeah, I do feel like my skin looks really good after the session, so I guess the extra skincare helps. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I feel like I did really enjoy my session yesterday because my therapist and the master who did my Kolgi, her name is Jessica, they were so friendly and super nice, super kind. So yeah, I think that really helped make my session a lot more enjoyable. So yes.
A few moments later.
I feel like I already know the results, judging from the state of my voice and how congested my nose is. But hopefully I'm wrong, so let's do the test. Okay, so it's negative.
2 days later.
I was just keeping the test results from the past couple of days, and I just realized that the one that I took on the 24th is actually positive. It has a very, very, very faint line, but it's there. And yeah, I was suspicious of the results because I was sick on the 24th, like pretty sick. But yeah, it's 2 days later and I tested negative, so... I bought this new lamp for my easel. I just clipped it at the back like this. Connects via USB cable. So you can also change the brightness level. Like that. And also the color of the light. Anyways, this is the current progress of my BTS painting. So yeah, I started off with the faces and I'm still not yet done. So this is not the final results of their faces. I'm actually kind of happy with how it's turning out.
Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어. 기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어. No, I can't, just can't. 가져 내 마음을, 놔줘 내 가슴을 다 바쳐 사랑하기엔.
Okay, so progress update. It's currently 11 p.m. I've literally spent the entire day painting. But it's okay because I really love the progress so far. So I started doing the clothes. And yeah, I'm left with Namjoon's and Hobi's jackets and Taeyong's suit. Might have to fix Jimin's suit as well, and also some details on JK's jacket. And of course we also have to fix Jimin's face. I'm just gonna redo the entire thing one day. But yeah, so far I love how the clothes turned out. I'm very, very proud, especially Jin's coat. I think I did a pretty great job and I'm very happy. I cannot believe I'm going to have an oil painting of BTS that I painted myself. So happy.
알아 멍청해